अगर ये वीडियो आपने एंड तक देख ली तो आपकी सिर्फ चांदी नहीं सोना चांदी हो जाएगी बिकॉज दिस अक्षय तृतीया इफ यू आर थिंकिंग टू बाय गोल्ड और सिल्वर ज्वेलरी देन दिस वीडियो इज द परफेक्ट गाइड फॉर यू। और आज हम आपको लेकर आए हैं राबता बाय राहुल में, और जितने भी सवाल ऑलमोस्ट आपके दिमाग में चल रहे हैं ना इसके अराउंड, उन सारे सवालों के जवाब मिलेंगे बिकॉज आई हैव विद मी मिस्टर राहुल हु इज क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर एट राबता बाय राहुल। राहुल, हाउ आर यू?
I'm very well. Thank you for having me for this platform.
ओके सो राहुल, हम जैसे बात करते हैं वो गाना भी है कि ये दुनिया पित्तल दी, और इस पित्तल की दुनिया में हम रियल गोल्ड जो है उसे कैसे स्पॉट करें? सो व्हाट इज द बिगेस्ट डिफरेंस बिटवीन फेक एंड रियल गोल्ड? हाउ टू स्पॉट इट?
So see, there are a lot of things which you can refer to for identifying your gold bullion or gold jewelry.
Okay.
To list the most important things, we can of course always check about the hallmarking. And हमारी country में अब बहुत सारे अच्छे standards बन चुके हैं, लोग बहुत ज़्यादा educate हो चुके हैं as compared to the past.
Exactly.
पीछे पहले टाइम में लोग सोना ले लेते थे without being aware that whether it is hallmarked or what is the purity of that. But now with a very wide networking and the promotions of BI's hallmark jewelry, people are very much aware that what is 14 karat gold, what is 18 karat gold, what is 22 karat gold. And every hallmarking has its own uniform feature. So yeah, people are educated and people are more open towards buying hallmark jewelry for better investment purpose as well.
बिल्कुल। एंड आई रिमेंबर कि छोटे होते ना एक बहुत ही एक ट्रिक हुआ करती थी, आई डोंट नो इफ इट इज़ लाइक गुड और नॉट। सोने को ना ऐसे स्क्रैच करके दीवार पे कहीं देख लेते थे कि अगर उसको उसका रंग निकल रहा है तो वैसा कुछ है कि नहीं। तो अब आई गेस विद दिस टेक्नोलॉजी वी डोंट नीड टू डू दैट एनीमोर।
Yeah, because now we have carat meters, so we can simply use the extra technology and we can test our jewelry or we can even test our bullion. But then of course what you're referring to is a scratch test, जो कि हम stone पे भी करते थे।
Okay.
और वो इसलिए किया जाता था क्योंकि कभी-कभी कुछ जो कि गुड जूलर्स आई वुड से कि जो नहीं है, जो ऑथेंटिकेटेड प्रैक्टिसेस नहीं करते, वो किसी भी मेटल के ऊपर गोल्ड चढ़ा सकते हैं, जैसे ब्रास के ऊपर गोल्ड चढ़ा दिया,
प्लेट कर सकते हैं
exactly. So that is kind of a plated element, could be any plated metal, and if in case you scratch it you will see that the upper layer is going away. So if that is going away then probably it is not a solid gold. Yeah,
it is said that it is very easy to coat any cheaper material with silver, और silver plate आप उसे कर सकते हैं. So if somebody is deciding to buy silver jewelry, तो ये कैसे check करें?
sterling silver is like a proper 92.5 alloy in which 92.5 is chandi and rest is copper.
Okay.
Because that is an international sterling silver alloy. And we do that ताकि सिल्वर को हम और वर्केबल बना सकें, एंड वो एक इंटरनेशनल सेफ प्रैक्टिस है सिल्वर को ऑथेंटिकेटेड यूज़ करने के लिए। और उसको अगर आपको टेस्ट करना है तो आप उसको ऑफ कोर्स सी द एक्सरे टेक्नोलॉजी इज द बेस्ट इन विच यू गेट इट प्रॉपर हॉलमार्क स्टैम्प, and that is the best way to identify your silver jewelry as well.
There are different categories when we talk about gold. There are 14 carat, 18 carat, 22 carat. So किसी को अगर बिल्कुल सिंपल और आसान सरल शब्दों में बताना हो कि क्या डिफरेंस है इन सब में?
सी एक बहुत सिंपल सी कैलकुलेशन है। जब हम 24 कैरेट की बात करते हैं तो उसका मतलब हो गया 100% सोना।
ओके।
बट जब हम 18 कैरेट देखते हैं सो दैट मीन 75% प्योरिटी ऑफ गोल्ड एंड 25% इज द अलॉय। सिमिलरली जब हम 14 देख रहे हैं तो 58% जो है वो आपका सोना है, और बाकी का अलॉय है। एंड सिमिलरली 22 कैरेट जो है वो 916 हॉलमार्क सोना हो गया और बाकी का जो अलॉय हो गया। और ये डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अलॉयज इसलिए हमने डेवलप कर रहे हैं ओवर द एजेस क्योंकि सी जब हम 22 कैरेट गोल्ड की बात कर रहे हैं तो वो एक बहुत अच्छी इन्वेस्टमेंट भी है, लेकिन वो इतना सॉफ्ट होता है कि वो स्टोन्स को होल्ड नहीं कर सकता। सो फॉर दैट्स व्हाई वी स्टार्टेड डेवलपिंग दीज अलॉयज लाइक 14 कैरेट 18 कैरेट सो दैट दे कैन होल्ड द डायमंड्स और इवन कलर स्टोन्स बिकॉज दे आर वेरी हार्ड, and with time they have a tendency to get loose and come out of the jewelry. So that's the reason, and also now gold price is going so high.
Exactly.
People want to buy more jewelry at the same time they want that they should not spend a lot. So that's why we work with these alloys.
Okay. Yeah. And if somebody wants to buy luxury jewelry or they don't care about the purity that much, तो उसके लिए उनको क्या prefer करना चाहिए?
So see, our brand of course deals in a lot of bespoke jewels. We do of course a lot of customization in gold and diamond jewelry. But at the same time, we deal in a lot of luxury jewelry. By luxury jewelry, I means that it's based in silver and it's gold plated as well. So it gives you a very much real look. But at the same time, it's not very heavy on your pocket. Silver is again a precious metal. You're buying precious jewelry, and still you're not spending in lakhs. Okay. And the best part is that you can travel with this jewelry. Like you can take this jewelry to any country if you have a destination wedding, or if you wanna just do something else, or you wanna do something innovative with jewelry. So I think nothing best than Rapta Rahul.
Very nice plug-in. Okay, if I may ask, what is the best time to buy gold? I know when you have this thing in your mind, so any time is the right time. But according to the expert, क्या सही time है?
See, if you're referring to the occasions and the traditions, then of course buying gold during Dhanteras and Akshaya Tritiya, which is just now, is considered very auspicious and it brings a lot of wealth into your business or your family. But if you're thinking from investment point of view, I would say that you should let the festive season get settled, and then you can buy gold. And also you can buy gold in little fragments. Like if you're buying it from an investment point of view, then do not do all your investment in one major chunk. Like if you're not planning to buy 500 grams, then you can buy in smaller quantities.
Okay, different.
Yeah, over the period of time, so that it cut on your cost. Yeah. And also, when you're doing for investment purpose, then always keep the international standards in mind. Like what is the gold price going on globally, and what is the exchange rate of dollar and INR, because that works very well with the domestic rates. Like if the rupee value is less, then of course the gold will cost you expensive.
Exactly. और अभी जैसे अक्षय तृतीया is coming over, तो we are seeing a lot of advertisements going on कि हमारे यहाँ पे सबसे सस्ता सोना मिलता है, सबसे सस्ते मार्केट प्राइस में. So how does that work? I mean, जहाँ तक मुझे बिजनेस की नॉलेज है, कोई खुद लॉस में जाकर तो नहीं जो है वो अपनी सेल करेगा. तो how does that work?
So I would say that, see, if you're buying bullion, then nobody can offer you such discounts or something like that, because that is like a raw gold that you're buying. But if you're buying jewelry, then the rate might vary. Even if the jewelry is hallmark, you'll see, because there's a making charge which is involved, and the making charge depends on how intricate your piece is. Like if you're buying a lot of filigree based jewelry, which is very intricate, it has a lot of detailing work, then of course the making and labor could be higher, and that's where the price point is also higher. But if you are buying simple designs, it probably have less making. So that's why such brands could offer those promotional campaigns also to get the clients to their store.
Okay, so it's just a clickbait thing.
Yeah, which is actually dependent on the making and wastage of the gold which is involved in it.
बिल्कुल. And right now अक्षय तृतीया पे हम बात कर रहे हैं, and I can see so many designer pieces and it just feels so great, you know, to be here. तो क्या आप हमें कुछ दिखाएंगे अपने कुछ जो आपके favorite pieces हैं?
Sure, definitely. I'll take you around and I'll show that to you.
Sure, let's go.
You know, the best part about this piece is that not just that it is very colorful and beautiful, this is all sterling silver which we have plated with gold, and then we have done very fine enamels on it. There's also a very beautiful aspect to it, like it looks very big and heavy earrings, but it's actually connected to a hairband.
Okay.
So when it's on your ear, you feel like you're wearing a big earrings, but then actually it's detachable, and all the weight is on the hairband instead of the ears.
Okay, so good, nice support, and I think ये चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा होती है, because some pieces of jewelry वो दिखने में बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं, but then it gets very heavy on the ear. We are talking about silver jewelry. So gold के बारे में we have talked कि there are few categories to check the purity. Silver में भी ऐसा है, like are there different categories?
Silver has a standard unit which is 92.5, and then only it is called sterling silver. Anything which is below, then it doesn't work. It is not categorized as sterling silver. Then it won't have a 92.5 hallmark stamp. So yeah, of course people do that in the market to bring the cost down, but that's not a favorable practice because it actually makes the metal more hard, and over the period it is not sustained in a good way. Yeah, only if you want to do some cheaper jewelry, then you can alloy it on a lesser ratio.
Okay, and last but not the least, see, it's the favorite part of shopping, and it's called bargaining.
Okay.
So whenever we go to shop, कोई भी हम अपना कपड़ा खरीदते हैं या जूते खरीदते हैं, कोई ना कोई एक स्कोप तो रहता ही है. So when we talk about silver and gold jewelry, we have seen some people out of habit do bargaining. तो क्या इतना possible होता है?
See, of course, I think bargain and discount is clients' first right. And their shopping is incomplete unless and until they have asked for some discount. So honestly, for our Akshaya Tritiya, we are ourselves offering up to 20% discount on our merchandise because it's a festival of shopping and people love to buy metal, precious metal. So we are offering discount upfront. But then, yeah, of course, when client is at our store and the client really wants some discount, then we offer them around 5 to 10%.
बिल्कुल. तो अगर कोई बोल रहा है, and if you are a good negotiator, then also you can go for it. Thank you so much, Rahul. We had so much, like we had such a great time over here, and after looking at such beautiful pieces, सच में दिल खुश हो गया। एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू टेल कि कैसी लगी आपको वीडियो, कमेंट सेक्शन में आप ज़रूर जाइए। एंड यस, कीप वॉचिंग हर जिंदगी फॉर मोर सच कंटेंट।